Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Chasing. It's coming to you live from Vietnam. This is our morning time, drive time update, ladies and gentlemen. And we're going to talk about this huge transfer of wealth, guys. Also, we got some new catalysts for Dogecoin, so that's going to be pretty interesting. So we're going to talk about Coinbase Commerce, and they've added Dogecoin and Shiba Inu to that list. So, merchants and can accept instant payments for payments of goods and services. So we're going to be talking about that and much, much more, guys. So right now, at the time of recording, we can see that from the heat map, we can see that right now things are looking not too good, looking pretty gnarly in the house for BTC and Ethereum, and we're seeing more and more slides to the downside for the cryptocurrency space right now. So this is part and parcel of this whole transfer of wealth, guys, and we're going to be seeing much more downward pressure for Bitcoin. But there's still some people that are saying that the Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency is still a lot of hope out there, and that we could be seeing things rising. And we're also seeing that Bitcoin is trading in a very narrow range, so we're going to talk about that and much more in this video, guys. So guys and gals, don't forget to go back and watch all my other videos. 99% will lose money, guys. I can't believe this is so important. So this is talking about MicroStrategy, and they just picked up a whole bunch of Bitcoin out there. So guys, go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it. And guys, do think about becoming channel members, guys. Get access to a private WhatsApp group. You're going to love it. I'm going to love it. And guys and gals, remember, everything you see here is not financial advice. It's just OG in-house expressing opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. We got Debbie down or Annabelle in the house, and we got Coca-Cola. So this is what Coca-Cola looks like in Vietnam. I'm not shilling for Coca-Cola, of course. I gotta get some Coca-Cola. So let's jump into it right now, guys. Let's absolutely jump into it. So yesterday we saw that the pre-markets yesterday, the U.S. markets, were pretty much down. The Nasdaq was slightly in the green, but everything was looking pretty bad. And keep in mind that in around about 12 hours from now, we're going to have the Jeremy Powell. He's going to be coming out, with his whole CPI data forecast. So we've got the CPI data forecast coming out in about 12 hours. So if that is good, then that's going to help move the markets higher and higher. Some of the geopolitical jitters that we had, Sweden and Finland, start to join the NATO alliance. That kind of really irritated Putin out there. So, that was one of the reasons that they were seeing the whole, crypto markets going down, because of some geopolitical tensions. So it looks like crypto exchange CoinFlex probably won't resume withdrawals on Thursday as planned, says CEO. So they had planned to actually start doing withdrawals again, but they've stopped that. So Mark Lamb, CEO of the embattled crypto exchange CoinFlex out there, said that withdrawals will probably not restart on Thursday as the company initially hoped, guys. So to fix the 47 million hole CoinFlex balance sheet, the company is issuing its new token. So this is just really dumb. They're going to issue a new token. Hopefully people will buy this token from a crypto exchange that's already having liquidity issues and is about to go down. So from my perspective, if you buy this token and the exchange goes bankrupt and you lose your money out there, don't blame me, guys. I did warn you. It's a dumb idea. So I just thought I'd cover this. Wealth transfer is happening right now, guys. So you guys can see that the biggest companies in the world, who comprise 20% of the S&P, have lost almost 50% since last year. And keep in mind that Bitcoin is very much tied to S&P because that's where all the tech stocks are, guys. So from that perspective, if the S&P goes down, Bitcoin's going to go down. So we had great business models like Amazon and Google and Apple and Netflix, and over the last month, Amazon is down 46%, Google is down 30%, Apple is down 20%, Netflix is down 76%. And Netflix is the first time that they actually saw losses, guys. So that is like insane. So giants who saw meteoric growth following a 2008 financial crisis. Remember the whole housing and loan debacle out there? Like Amazon, which has grown, 3,710% between 2008 and 2020, have been leading the market down, and that's no secret, guys. So we're seeing a huge transfer of wealth, guys, like never before. And part of this whole transfer of wealth, we're seeing a lot of tech stocks being sold off. We're seeing a lot of these companies that did really good from 2008 to 2020. They're just collapsing right now. And I believe that smart money is slowly moving into crypto, and I believe that Bitcoin is going to be a huge hedge against inflation. And we're seeing time and time again, even though the stocks are going down, we can still see that overall Bitcoin is holding its value. cryptocurrency is holding its value, guys. So it doesn't feel like it right now because we're seeing most of the altcoins are down about 90%. But in the long term, you're going to see that Bitcoin and other currencies are going to be able to hold and hold out through the recession, guys. So that is kind of cool beans in the house. So we've seen what is the secret is the group of less sexy and less well-known stocks that have been making parabolic moves this year. So even though we're seeing a lot of the S&P tech stocks going down, and we're seeing a lot of traders are really adverse and kind of shying away from tech stocks, we're seeing that a lot of traditional companies, natural resource-based companies like Contra Energy is up 80%. We're seeing Occidental Petroleum up 139%. We're seeing Marathon Oil up 91%, and Mosaic Company is also up 59% year to date. So the list goes on. So there are some winners out there, but we're seeing that there's a big cyclical swing from tech to natural resources and what I call hardcore, hard class assets out there. So from that perspective, I believe that we're seeing that some of the commodity-based stocks are actually improving a lot. And remember, right now, Bitcoin, according to Gary Gensler, is now a commodity. So that just really makes me believe that Bitcoin is going to survive and it's going to thrive, guys. But we as investors need to realize that the tricks that worked over 8 years ago just don't apply in this cycle of the stock market, guys. Yes, inflation is growing to unacceptable rates. We know that. Yes, the debt and to GDP ratio is skewed as it's ever been. But we can't forget the 2008 crisis. Times like this are when informed investors build the most wealth the fastest. So that's why I really believe that crypto and Bitcoin and Dogecoin are some of the best ways to build wealth. And this is a big transfers, guys. We're absolutely seeing a big transfers of wealth, and the uninformed get slaughtered, guys. So that's why it's so important you guys keep watching my channel, keep updated, keep informed. And I'm not going to be shilling and talking about crappy projects and out there. A lot of influencers do that, guys, and it's not good, guys, because at the end of the day, never invest more than you're willing to lose. Diversification of your portfolio is very important. So which side of the story do you want to be on? Do you want to be on the side of the story of the winners or losers? It's totally up to you, guys. Remember, nothing you hear is financial advice, just me offering my opinions. So from that, the side who's already lost half their wealth and doesn't know what to do about it, or the side who knows what to do and and is preparing to run into a burning building and grab the jewels, guys. So from that perspective, we are seeing a huge transfer of wealth, guys, and that transfer of wealth is going to mean that there's going to be a select few that have the power and will have the power because they were the smart money and they knew what to do. So talking about smart money, we're seeing that the fear and greed right now, which is a contrarian indicator. When there's absolute blood on the streets, this is the time to be buying, guys. It's absolutely the time to be buying. And what you should be doing is buying and not having fear. Absolutely buy the fear out there. You've got to do that. Also, too, we're seeing some really positive news for Shiba Inu and Dogecoin right now added as payments method for Coinbase commerce. So that is pretty cool beans in the house. So merchants using leading cryptocurrency firms and Coinbase for their commerce solutions can now accept payments in a wider number of digital currencies, include meme-inspired tokens, Shiba Inu, and Dogecoin. So this is a huge catalyst. So in the new announcement, Coinbase Commerce Division of the NASDAQ-listed exchange, Coinbase Global, revealed that as part of its goal to bring together consumers and business in cryptocurrency is making crypto transactions easier and more accessible while adding new cryptocurrencies. So that is really good, guys. So you're going to be able to use e-commerce, Coinbase e-commerce, and you're going to be able to use Dogecoin and Shiba Inu as a transactional coin out there. So there is getting more utility for Dogecoin, and I did talk to you about that. We have the yesterday we had a huge video that came out, and you guys need to go back and watch it. Dogecoin smart contracts has been announced. So, that is pretty cool, guys, that the Dogecoin smart contracts have been announced, and that means you're going to be able to do play to earn NFTs, and Doge can now be, used on DeFi, guys. So go back and watch that video. If you did miss it, guys, it's absolutely a huge barn burner video. So right now for Dogecoin, we're seeing that Dogecoin right now is at 0.675. And if we look at all the of coins in the house right now, we're seeing that everything is down, everything is getting slaughtered, with the exception of the stable coins. And funnily enough, we're still seeing that Dogecoin is still up almost 1% time recording. I mean, this can change by the time you're watching, but we're seeing that Dogecoin phenomenally is, one of the only darlings right now that are actually in the green with Dogecoin out there. So that is pretty good from that perspective. We're seeing that the total market cap right now is just gingerly above 900 billion, and the volume is around about 56.38, and the Bitcoin dollar is about 42.24, guys, from that perspective. So overall, we're seeing that like right now, if we take a look at what's coming in, we can still see that Bitcoin right now is pretty much range bound between around about 21,800 and 19,832. So that is kind of the range, and we just seem to be going back and forth in this range. Very boring, and that's why cryptocurrency is like watching paint dry right now. And breaking news: the U.S. Securities Exchange Commission has denied Grayscale spot exchange. What is Gary Gensler doing, and what does he have against a spot ETF? Our friends in Canada have one. Why we can't have one in America? This is just another blow to cryptocurrency, and I don't know why we keep spot ETFs keep getting rejected. I mean, if it's leverage-based ETFs, no problem, guys. Absolutely no problem in the house. So, from that perspective, it's just a huge Debbie Downer out there. So I don't know what's going on with that. So it is absolutely insane in the membrane. So it looks like, according to T analysts, it looks like, Bitcoin is ready for a massive bull run. So we've seen this time and time again, 2015, 2019, and 2022. We're seeing that, the RSI is super low. It's the lowest it's ever been. It's absolutely insane. And every time Bitcoin does hit this trend line, we ought to have a move to the upside. So exactly when this move to the upside will be, I can't tell you, but it's looking like at the end of the year we should get a huge move to the upside, guys and gals. Got to keep the throat lubricated. So this is also coming in right now. We can still see this inverse head and shoulders. Bitcoin has made a perfect retest to the trend line of the inverse head and shoulders. It is imperative that it holds the 19,800 level. And, and if it doesn't, we're going to be dropping down, down. So we can see right here on the 4-hour, we can see that Bitcoin is right now at $19,992. So it is respecting 19,800 level. So from that perspective, we could still be seeing that, this inverse head and shoulder pattern could be still validated. And if that happens, we could be seeing a $24,000 Bitcoin incoming very shortly. So let's keep on keeping on. Let's hopefully that the technical target of 24,100 can hold. Remember, guys and gals, TA only works until it doesn't, and I give this about a 70. I mean, right now, with the way that I would say more like a 60-40 chance. So 60% chance we're going to hit this technical target, and 40% chance that we're going to be going down to below $19,000 in the house. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly right now. Once again, we got about 3 days and 23 hours left. It's not looking pretty good for Bitcoin right now. It's well below our minor capitulation line. And it looks like we're going to be confirming another red candle out there. So right now we're seeing a DXY is going insane right now, and that is putting a lot more sell pressure on Bitcoin, so that is not good. We're seeing that Shiba Weeby right now is up a little bit. It's up a 10 right now. It's still disrespecting my trend line. So why is Shiba Inu going down? It's because Bitcoin is going down. Why is Dogecoin having a hard time going through this whole bump and run pattern? It has to do with the fact that Bitcoin is going down. I mean, there's still a lot of fundamentals, a lot of catalysts for Dogecoin. We talked about Dogecoin yesterday. NFTs, play to earn, smart contracts are now available for Dogecoin. We see Coinbase e-commerce platform now accepting Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, but these are not enough catalysts in a bear market to see things actually go up, guys. So what are we waiting for? We're waiting for some confirmation from Bitcoin. If Bitcoin continues to go down, the broader markets continue to go down, Dogecoin will absolutely go down. We're seeing Ethereum right now is below my $1,200 level. It's just going sideways around about 1,150 to 1,188. So I'm hoping that we can get back up there. Let's take a look at the leverage apes in the house right now. So the leverage apes have to give this a minty refresh. I hate pop-ups. Let's get rid of the pop-ups. So right now we're seeing that the leverage traders they've kind of learned their lesson. We're seeing a lot of leverage traders, a lot of retail investors are kind of leaving the market, exiting. They're looking at worlds running home the mummy right now. So we're seeing about $160 million worth of leverage traders got wrecked. That's about 64,000. And overall, if we take a look at the hourly right now, it's all long, so that's why Bitcoin is price is being depressed right now. So that's not so good. So from that perspective, once again, that's going to bring this video to a close. Guys, do go follow me on my Twitter. I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to boop the like, smash the like, show some love for the OG. I would really appreciate it, guys and gals. And remember, it's so important that you guys get your crypto off centralized exchanges, get them off lending platforms. Guys, do that right now. And the best way to secure your crypto is you have to control and own your private keys. Software wallets like Exodus, MetaMask, Trust Wallet. And if you're looking for a hardware wallet, guys, check out Nano Ledger. Guys, it's a great wallet. Also Tracer. I prefer Nano Ledger. You can see all my links down below, guys. Get my links. You can see the discount code for my Nano Ledger out there and my Tracer, guys. But right now I think that Nano Ledger is the rocket ship, the best performing hardware out there, guys. Don't forget to become a Patreon by the channel. Coffee would appreciate it. And guys, do not forget to check out the merch, guys. We got hats, hoodies, all sorts of stuff. Remember, all the memberships, all the super chats, all the hoodies, all goes to charity, guys. So I just want to say God bless each and every one. This is a quickie update, but we're witnessing a huge transfer of wealth, guys. So let's get it. Be blessed, be well. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.